What's up everyone? Privyet, Saliem. Welcome back to my channel. Back with me again, Rhea, with another reaction to Dimash Qudaibergen. And this is another performance from New Wave 2021. And he's gonna sing Ave Maria. Last time, previously, I've reacted to his performance of Stranger. And it was mind-blowing, spectacular. I still think that it is one of the best performances that I've ever watched in my life. I still stand to the fact. And now he gonna sing this song, this important song, this sacred holy song that everybody knows. And I actually kinda anticipate this one the most because yes, I'm quite familiar with this one. And yeah, let's see how he's gonna, I don't know, I have expectation already, but let's see. Okay, let's see. And he sang 3 songs, and by the way, thanks for your comments and informations. He actually is the judge in this year's New Wave, and I couldn't imagine how does it feel to be judged by by a god himself. I would faint on that stage. I would never gonna be able to sing. It must be nerve-wracking. But I know he is a nice guy. He is a nice guy, I know. So yep, let's see how this goes and start the video right away. Let's go. How many songs that he actually performed in this New Wave, guys? Listen to this. Oh. Okay, Dimash looks handsome wearing the white. Instant chills, guys. Okay, we have Mr. Igor again. Oh my god. Okay, and the choir joining in. Okay, is it getting higher and higher? Oh. Again. Listen how the music slowly progresses. It's getting bigger and bigger. and so does his singing. I love that. Wait, is it over? You're kidding!
Димаш Qudaibergen
Wait, I thought
и Игорь Крутой.
it was all just an intro.
Браво!
Просто мурашки по коже.
Hold on. I just thought that it was all just an intro, guys. I was like, okay, this intro was so beautiful. I'm getting hypnotized by this, and then it's over. I thought he's gonna like sing the lyric. Like, is this the Ave Maria that we know? Is this like Ave Maria? Na 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 na. I don't know. Okay, not gonna lie, this is unexpected. But this is a good surprise though. This is a good surprise. I mean, based on the quality, the voice quality, the music quality, I'm not complaining. I'm just like, okay, this is really caught me off guard, not gonna lie. But oh my god. How beautiful that was, guys. How beautiful. Okay, before I forget to say everything, let me just repeat the last note that he hold right there, because that was actually very, very smart and genius note. Listen how he hold it and sustain it. Where is it? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, after this big note, and then just
Димаш Qudaibergen.
Wait a second, guys. Someone just calling me. Wait a second. Okay, I'm back. Where were we? Yeah, about that last note. Notice how he not only sustained the note, but also he played with the dynamic, with the crescendo, and then he just hold it and sustain it, and just followed the music. Like, notice like how he and Igor, like, they coordinated that note together. You know what I mean, right? Like, Igor waited for Dimash, and Dimash waited for they exchange the signal. You know what I mean? It's nice. It's the teamwork, the work chemistry between both of them. Oh my god, this is so different, but a really amazing change. If this is really the Ave Maria that I know. I love how Dimash started the song with a cappella first, and then slowly the music joining in, the choir joining in, and not only the key was getting higher and higher, but also the music is just getting bigger and bigger as well. It's like gradually climbing to the top, I feel like I was ascending to heaven listening to this. I was like slowly taken to the top, but when I was about to reach the end, he stopped singing and I have to go back down again. And oh my god, like, didn't expect this to be over. Didn't expect this to be over yet. I still want to keep this going. You just stop when in the middle. Like, I was like this, and oh no, I have to go back down again. No. Oh my god, such an elegant and expensive performance. This is art. This is what music is all about, guys. Like I always say, as a person who loves singing, I always say that singing is like talking, and the lyric is your dialogue. So, but in this case, there is no dialogue at all. There's a zero dialogue. Okay, it's like watching one of those silent movies. But with his body language, with his gesture, with his expression, the showmanship, the way Dimash carried every single note is just so captivating. It's just already so captivating and hypnotize you. And of course, his voice. Oh my God. Wow, such a privilege, guys. Honestly, I cannot imagine how does it feel to be among those audiences. Okay, I feel so jealous right now. I wish I was there, sitting and enjoying this masterpiece. Really, such a nice contrast between this one and the Stranger performance. Stranger, it was dark. Now it was white. Fly Away, I don't know. Maybe it's an upbeat performance, upbeat song. I don't know, but let's just find out later on the next video. Okay, but for now, without being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm enjoying this a lot. Nice, unexpected performance, but a really powerful, but still really powerful and impactful and sophisticated one. Very sophisticated. Great job. So thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. Bye bye, guys. Spasiba. Bye bye. Have a nice day, everyone. God bless you. Peace.